Well, afternoon, evening, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. Thank you for being my subscribers and the viewers. 114 of you. I goofed. Apparently, when I made the video for this morning, I was telling you I didn't post one yesterday for the 11th. And so, of course, what did I do? I posted it as the date of the 11th. So it shows up as the 11th, but it's today. So I goofed. It happens. Okay. Could be worse. Anyway, I did manage to get a few things done. Again, not as much as I wanted, but enough. Just got through eating some fried chicken. Wait, things are getting way too expensive. They're ridiculous. But anyway, yeah, got through with therapy, and I can tell you honestly, I hurt. I don't like therapy. It's making me do things with my neck that are painful. But I got that done. I got my item packed up, put in a box, and got it all labeled and brought over there and got them to ship it after I got out of therapy. And then went and did laundry. Got trash out. There are a couple other small things. But yeah. It's been one of those, and I actually feel kind of run over and run down now. And I ended up getting in touch with the credit card company and getting a card canceled because it should have showed up sometime last week, over a week ago, and it hasn't. So I had to call them up and get them to cancel that one and send me a new one. So I'm having them send it to my anytime mailbox, so it'll show up there. And boy, it's amazing all the information they get from you when you go do a credit card. It's amazing how much more information they want when you're trying to cancel one, even though they said, oh, it's not been activated yet, it's just not here. Okay, yay. So 7 to 10 more days for that one. Actually, the guy was pretty helpful. Got this taken care of pretty fast, other than the moment of getting put on hold. That took a while. Everything else actually went through faster than hold. I don't know about you, but I don't like hold. Anyway, yeah. I'm tired, I'm wore out. I'm calling it a day. But I'm trying to get things done, and yeah. I still got to, get up from here. I need to go and put the sheets back on the bed. Yeah, I don't like sleeping on the mattress by itself. So I got to put the sheets back on the bed. Because, hey, they had to get washed. Well, they didn't have to, but it's a good thing to do on a regular basis. Just saying. I could have probably made it another week, but today was laundry day. So, yay. It is what it is. It's better to get them done early. Anywho, I got an email saying kitties need to get their shots. So I'm going to probably try to do that next week. Yeah, I don't think they're going to like that. Well, one of them, Callie, she's like way too mellow. She'll probably roll over and, say, here, take this one. And be just quite happy that they went ahead and did it. Patches, on the other hand, she'll probably try to tear their arm off in the process. They've had a couple of issues with her. She's not calm when other people, yeah. I don't know why. She's real good with me. She comes up and wants to get her ear scratched and everything else, and she's sweet as all get out with me. And get her over to the vet to get shots, and she becomes Psycho Kitty. So Patches is a bit patchy. Yeah. I don't know if I've ever picked her up and showed her to you, but both of my cats are calicos. One's just a dark one. The other's more gray. So, yeah. They're good cats when they're asleep. Yeah. I think Patches could use a dose of kitty Thorazine to go to the vet's office. She did not like that. She don't like shots. She don't like them doing her nails, clipping her nails. And yeah, she didn't like it when they cut her open to do the fixing so that she can't have kittens. Yeah. She's got issues with going to the vet. Callie, on the other hand, yeah. Too mellow, don't care. Okay, get it over with. It's happening. Yeah. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway. Yeah. I got sore spots. And yeah. Well, I hope y'all are enjoying your weekend. I'm going to go to sleep and wake up and start my week, because this is the end of my weekend and the start of yours. I hope yours is a blessed one and you have a lot of fun and find some things to do. Preferably that involves a lot of water, a lot of sand, and hey, a few other things. Hey, I'm ready to get to the Philippines. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a blessed day, a blessed weekend. And I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.